Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear kids, I hope you all are fine. I'm your English teacher. Today I will teach you three-letter words with the help of vowels A, E, I, O, U. We can make three-letter words. Words can be introduced with the help of CVC pattern. That is consonant, vowel, consonant. Consonant, vowel, consonant. Okay, students, CVC. So now we take second vowel E. With the help of vowel, we can start three-letter words. That is, first one is B, A, D, bed. B, A, D, bed. B, E, D, bed. T, A, N, ten. T, A, N, ten. T, E, N, ten. T, E, N, ten. J, A, T, jet. J, A, T, jet. J, E, T, jet. P, A, T, pet. P, A, T, pet. P, E, T, pet. The kids, now here we have finished E-letter word. Before going to next topic, what's your job? Is to practice. Okay, dear kids, take care. Allah Hafiz.